For a long time, many trading and analytical companies have been using an artificial intelligence to make decisions and predict price movements. No one algorithm can be perfect and can't always give the right solution. Even if such an algorithm is created, then it will not be possible to use it for everyone. It is impossible for everyone to make money. Big companies can afford the development of artificial intelligence. But what about an ordinary investor? How to get access to unique artificial intelligence solutions? We can do it together. How? We can use different types of AI decisions and diversify the risks of decision-making. Artificial intelligence will provide us with dozens of strategies. Which one should be used for trading? We will be given the answer by another artificial intelligence algorithm. There are several key points in classical money management. There are a few key formulas. In this video, we will not list all our ideas, just point out a few. First, we will definitely calculate the optimal lot size, using all the formulas known to science for finding the number f. The optimal leverage will also be calculated for each strategy and transaction. It is also necessary to take into account the probability of alternating positive and negative transactions. There are also several mathematical solutions for this. Second, there are still very large tools that we will use to make decisions. I will make a separate video about this. Analytical and money management algorithms based on AI solutions will be available to all users. For the efficiency of the algorithms, each solution will be issued to a specific number of investors. To avoid massive identical decisions. This idea becomes much more effective if it is combined with the Web3 idea. It takes time to complete this project. For now, we will use the analytics of different traders for trading. This is far from our goal. But this is some experience that we can also use. One of the important directions of our experiment will be the allocation of money management as the main instrument of the trading system. It is known that there are three components of any trading system. The first is analytics. The second, management. The third, psychology. For 15 years of communication with various traders, the main conclusion was made. The vast majority of traders put maximum effort into learning technical analysis. Some of the traders also take into account fundamental analysis. But what is most important, almost no one went deep into the study of the basics of money management, and as the survey showed, not many people know what the F coefficient is. This points to a real problem. An equally important problem is the lack of psychological training for traders. A trading system should have 1/3 analytics, 1/3 management, and 1/3 psychology. So there are no problems with technical analysis. When we use the artificial intelligence, psychological problems also disappear. Let's try to increase the share of the significance of money management in the trading system. With the help of artificial intelligence, the following tasks can be solved. Drawing up an investor's portfolio, taking into account all the components of money management. Spot trading, derivatives trading, risk hedging, trading strategies using stop loss, and using averaging. Also, I can effectively calculate how and when to use trading signals from various traders, compile these signals, and conduct independent market analysis using various types of technical analysis. I will be able to quickly and accurately calculate all the mathematical formulas of money management. Coefficient F, mathematical expectation, reinvestment efficiency for each trading system, fundamental trading equations, apply arcsine laws, draw a logarithmic distribution, use a parametric approach, use the central limit theorem, and dozens of important and complex operations.